In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Super Mario Odyssey with 2 players. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Super Mario Odyssey does feature a 2-player mode. However, unfortunately, this isn't going to be something like Mario and Luigi. This is going to be Mario and Cappy, so as it stands today, you will not be able to play with 2 players, one being Mario and the other one being Luigi. You will actually control Cappy if you are player 2. So to set this up, once you are inside of a Super Mario Odyssey session, at any point you can pause, usually by pressing the plus button, and you will find the option to resume 2 players. If you don't see this option when you go over to the pause menu, it means that you need to set up your controllers. So the easiest way to play with 2 players is going to be by transforming both Joy-Cons into player 1's controller and then player 2's controller. So detach the Joy-Cons, the left one will usually be player 1's controller, and then the right one will be player 2's. Once you have both of them detached, press L or left plus right at the same time, so L and R, and then you will have player 1 connected, which is going to be whoever is playing at the moment, and then player 2's Joy-Con here. Once you have both Joy-Cons connected, good to go, then you can go back inside of the game and you should find resume 2-player option. Once you choose that option, like I said before, player 1 will control Mario and player 2 will control Cappy. It is unfortunate that you cannot do Mario and Luigi, but it is still going to be a 2-player mode. You will use the joystick to move, the other joystick to look around, and you can take flight by pressing the button here. And these are going to be all of the controls, so you can jump out, return, move, ground pound, and so on. If you want to do Mario and Luigi, which is the more traditional way to play with 2 players on Mario games, sadly, you are going to need to use mods. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.